Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Laurie.
And if this is your first time dropping into the channel, welcome. We just got back from a long weekend. Laurie was up in Reno, and then she joined me out in the desert, the Black Rock Playa, where they hold the Burning Man every fall over the Labor Day weekend. We were out in the desert for a night, and so we've been busy cleaning up everything, and we thought we'd just have a quick meal tonight, make a pizza, and
I already turned the oven to low.
Oh, did you turn it to low? Good. You know, there's another guy that normally works that oven, and he's always like forgetting that. Pat, 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 pat. Boy, this Biga is a little. You just made it this morning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little challenging to press out. Am I going to get a?
Well, you might just need to pull it, hold it in the middle, and then pull it off to the side.
So,
What
are you doing for heat management, Laurie? How long?
The oven's been on for at least 20 minutes, and I was on high, and now I turned it to low.
Boy, this dough is a
Little stiff.
Yeah, a little stiff. But I'll just keep
Stretching it out. That looks good. Yeah.
Well, it's kind of small, but you've been making small dough balls.
No, this is
I've
a
been
big.
telling Laurie that her dough balls are a little bit small.
That's good. You're stretching it.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah, and then pull it. Oh,
yeah. We don't want to pull a hole, but
yeah. Looks good.
okay. It's relatively round. We're gonna go with that. And Laurie, you made this sauce this morning, right?
This afternoon.
Oh, this
yeah.
afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
And I kind of like mine kind of lightly sauced. And I'll put that there. And it will use up a little bit of this Parmesan.
It's good.
And then I do things a little differently with the pepperoni. I like to cut them into smaller pieces. Some people just like to put the big round piece on.
Everybody has their own technique.
Yeah, their own technique. I like it more bite size. I see some of them are sticking together this way, but let's see how this turns out.
Oh, no cheese under the meat, just on top. Huh?
Well, I put the
Are you gonna put?
I'm gonna use a little bit more of
Oh,
that.
okay.
And this is whole milk mozzarella.
Yep. I just grated it.
I think that's enough, huh?
Okay. Put this.
And put a little bit of this on top. Give it some
Yeah.
color. Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me just stretch it out a little
yeah,
bit.
you can stretch it out there. That's good.
Okay, looks like we got a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. So we'll probably put some footage in from our time out in the desert with our Solus. We didn't bring the Uni pizza oven with us, and for those of you that are new to the channel, we're using an Unicota 16 outdoor pizza oven tonight. And
I wonder if we need the metal peel somewhere.
we have the metal peel,
Oh, it's so high up, I didn't see it.
This is the Uni 14-inch metal peel.
Oh, guess what I forgot?
Here.
Huh?
What? What'd you forget?
Oh, the tongs.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Let me go
that's
get
right.
them real quick.
It's pretty hot when you're turning the pizza. Bill's always burning his fingers.
And so anyway, we were out in the Black Rock Playa, where they build Black Rock City, which is the home of Burning Man festival every year. It was dusty out there, but we'll go back out. Next week we're going to head down to Pismo Beach, California, and we're going to camp along the ocean, and we're bringing our Unicota 16 with us. And again, when we take the Unicota 16, we can leave our Weber Q grill and our Coleman stove at home. So
Oh,
that Biga is rising nice around the edges,
yeah,
huh?
yeah. Woo, it's going up really high.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe. I went the wrong
you
way.
went the wrong way. That's pretty good. All right, Laurie, you're doing a good job. I think this is the first time Laurie has launched in a long time. So,
I used to do all the stretching and all the cooking and all the retrieving and
that is true. And so we're entering our second year here on 12th Avenue Cuisine. We want to thank all our 980 subscribers. We really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel or you're just an occasional viewer, you can help us get over the 1,000 subscriber mark by hitting that subscribe bell. We'd greatly appreciate that. So we're entering the second year, and we're gonna add a little bit more travel into our videos.
oh, having a little fire over. Oh, somebody doesn't have everything ready.
Yeah, I'm talking.
Somebody doesn't have the.
I'm talking.
Nothing was ready.
Okay.
Are we doing any other pizza? Just one.
I think we're just going to do one tonight. Laurie, that looks very nice. You did a good job on cooking it.
Oh, well, thank you.
You got a little char
Char
there.
there.
Yeah.
Well,
So
that was from.
We'll
I
put
think.
this.
Should I turn the oven off?
Sure. Go ahead. Push in and rotate up. Rotate up. Here, I'll do it.
I'm trying to rotate.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. And somebody didn't bring the board over.
Okay, let's get this camera out of the way. What do you think?
I think it's ready.
You think it's ready?
Here.
You gonna be the one to cut it?
I'm doing everything.
Oh, you're doing everything? Okay, she's doing everything. So, I think I mentioned it in the beginning. This is a Biga dough that Laurie started yesterday morning.
No, last night.
Oh, last night.
Maybe I'll just make mine.
Yeah. All right, good job there, Laurie. You know, I think I'm going to cut into a smaller piece as well.
Oh, you usually like the big
I
giant
normally
one.
do, but now that I've finally put the pepperoni on the way I like it, kind of diced up, I think I'm going to go with a smaller piece.
Oh my gosh. I don't know anybody who wants
Okay.
little cut up pieces of pepperoni.
I think you did a very good job, sweetie.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Ooh. I like mine charred. Oh, did you want to show the bottom of your crust?
I don't know. Maybe we try it that way.
It looks good.
You know, I think everything is good. The Biga, we're really becoming fans of it.
And this is one of the easier Biga recipes.
Yeah. And we see a lot of people on the Uni community on Facebook, and they always ask, you know, what's a easy dough to start with. So we always recommend the Biga by Kitchen and Craft.
This one does not.
Thomas Atta put us onto that, I think, several months ago, and you know, it's a good one to start with.
Well, because you don't need a mixer. All the steps are at room temperature. You don't need any special equipment, so. And the dough almost always comes out perfect.
Very good.
And it's thoroughly cooked.
Good job on the pizziola, Laurie. And I think I kind of got the pizza round, so.
Yeah, you did a good job.
All right. Well, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. And what do we always say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
And what really helps us on this channel is when you take time to comment, because that helps us learn through your comments. It lets others that might be viewing the comments learn as well. And questions are always welcome. So, really good job on the launching, turning, and retrieving tonight, Laurie.
It's just a little warmer over there.
Yeah, it is. It's a nice night here, though, but it is a little warmer by the oven.
Well,
I think, other than that,
till next time.
till next time.